Introduction. A histogram is a graphical representation that organizes a group of data points into a specified range. In Python, the histogram is an insightful visualization tool that provides a high-level overview of the data distribution. Python provides various libraries to create histograms like matplotlib and seaborn. This article focuses on matplotlib. Creating a basic histogram, import necessary libraries matplotlib.pyplot for plotting and numpy for generating sample data. Generate some random data using the numpy library. Use the hist function from matplotlib.pyplot to generate the histogram. The parameters of the hist function include the data array, bins for number of intervals, and edge color for differentiating each bar. Customizing the histogram. The bins parameter can be adjusted to get a more detailed or high-level view of data distribution. Change the color of the histogram using the color parameter. Common mistakes and tips. Choosing the right bin size is crucial. Incorrect bin size might oversimplify or overcomplicate the data. Always label the axes for better understanding of the data. Ignoring outliers can significantly skew a histogram. It's essential to identify and manage outliers before creating a histogram. Conclusion: histograms are powerful tools for visualizing and understanding data in Python. They provide significant insights into the data distribution and are relatively straightforward to implement using libraries like matplotlib. They must be used correctly and responsibly, with careful consideration for bin size, outlier management, and labeling.